Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am talking about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which make it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized network based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. Our defining features of cryptocurrency is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Key takeaway: a cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. These decentralized structures allow them to exist outside the control of government and central authorities. The word cryptocurrency is derived from the encryption technique which are used to secure the network, blockchain, which are organization method for ensuring the integrity of transactional data, are an essential component of many cryptocurrencies. Many experts believe that blockchain and related technology will disrupt many industries, including finance and law. Cryptocurrency face criticism for a number of reasons, including their use of illegal activities, exchange rate volatility, and vulnerability of the infrastructure underlying them. However, they also have been praised for their portability, divisibility, inflation, resistance, and transparency. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency are systems that allow secure payment online, which are denominated in terms of virtual token, which are represented by ledger entries internal to the system. Crypto refer of the various encryption algorithm and cryptographic technique that safeguard these entries, such as elliptical curve encryption, public-private key pairs, and hashing function. Type of cryptocurrency. The first blockchain-based cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which still remains the most popular and most valuable today. There are thousands of alternate cryptocurrency with various functions and specification. Some of these are clone of fork of Bitcoin, while other are new cryptocurrencies that we were built from scratch. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by individual or group known by the Satoshi Nakamoto. As of March 2021, there were over 18.6 million Bitcoin in circulation with a total market cap of around 9,027,000,000. Some of the competing cryptocurrency spawned and Bitcoin success. Unknown as altcoin include Litecoin, Peercoin, and Namecoin, as well as Ethereum, Cardano, or EOS. Today, the aggregate value of all the cryptocurrency existence is around 1,005,000,000,000,000 Bitcoin. Currency represents more than 60% of the total value. Important. Some of the cryptocurrency used in cryptocurrency today was originally developed for military application. At one point, the government wanted to put control on cryptography, similar of the legal restriction on weapons. But the right of civilian to use cryptography was secured on ground of freedom of speech. Advantage and disadvantage of cryptocurrency. Advantage: cryptocurrency hold the promise of making it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties without the need for a trusted third party, like a bank or credit card company. These transfers are instead secured by the use of public keys and private keys and different form of incentive system like proof of work or proof of stake. In modern cryptocurrency system, a user wallet or account address has a public key while the private key is known only to the owner and is used to sign transaction. Fund transfers are complete with minimal processing fees, allow user to avoid the steep fees charged by bank and financial institution for wire transfers. Disadvantage: the semi anonymous nature of cryptocurrency transactions make them well sought for a host of illegal activities such as money laundering and tax evasion. However, cryptocurrency advocates often highly value their anonymity, citing benefit of privacy like protection of whistleblower or activists living under repressive government. Some cryptocurrency are more private than others. Bitcoin, for instance, is a relatively poor choice of conducting illegal business online, since the forensic analysis of the Bitcoin blockchain has helped authorities arrest and prosecute criminals. More privacy oriented coins do exist, however, such as Dash, Monero, or Zcash, which are far more difficult to trace. Special consideration: central of the appeal and functionality of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency is blockchain technology, which is used to keep an online ledger of all the transactions that have ever been conducted, thus providing a data structure of this ledger. This is quite secure and is shared and agreed upon by the entire network of an individual node or computer maintaining a copy of the ledger. Every new block generated must be verified by each node before being confirmed, making it almost impossible for fork transaction history. Making experts see blockchain technology as having serious potential for uses like online voting and crowdfunding, and major financial institutions such as JP Morgan Chase JPMC the potential to lower transaction costs by streamlining payment processing. However, because cryptocurrency are virtual and are not stored on a central base, a cryptocurrency digital balance can be wiped out by the loss of destruction of a hard drive if a backup copy of the private key does not exist. At the same time, there is no central authority, government, or corporation that has access to your fund on your personal information. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and forget to like my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.